Hello learners. Welcome to this new video of TypeScript playlist. In this video we will be learning KeyOf in TypeScript. KeyOf is a very popular concept in TypeScript, and for watching this video you must have a prerequisite knowledge of type alias and union types. If you haven't watched those videos yet, you can watch it from the playlist. You will get the link in the description box. I have tried my best to keep this TypeScript playlist simple and easy to understand. Let's start the video. First, let's look at the definition of KeyOf. KeyOf is a keyword in TypeScript that is used to extract the key or property type from an object type. What does it mean? Let's understand through an example. First, let's create an object, me, where we will define two properties as name and age. Now, as in our previous videos, we have learned the concept of type alias, where we used to separately define the types of the variable and objects. Till now, it is what we have already discussed in our previous videos. Now, let's move on to the concept of KeyOf. We have defined a variable and set its type to be the keys of the person type. This means the variable can only hold values that match the property names of person. In our case, the valid values are name and age. If we try to assign any other value, TypeScript will show an error. But if we add the particular key channel inside our type alias, the error line will disappear. Similarly, as you can see, whenever we are trying to give some other values other than what is present in the key of type alias person, it is showing error. As we have seen, in TypeScript, the KeyOf operator takes an object type and produces a union type of all its property names, keys, as string or number literal types. So, what does string literals and number literals mean? Let's understand through an example. In this example, as we have set the type of this variable as Amit Kumar, now it will not accept any other value other than Amit Kumar. Whenever we will try giving some other value to the variable, it will show error. Note, while assigning the type as Amit Kumar, we are not setting the value of the variable. It's just fixing the value to that particular type. Same in the case of numbers as well. Now, let's see how we can bring KeyOf in use. We will create a function that will take an object of type person and a variable which will contain all the key values of type person. By using these two parameters, we will try to print the values of each key property of object, me. As function body is written, now let's call the function. Boom! As you can see, it has given us the value of key channel from the me object. Similarly, we can fetch the value of any object keys. This was all in this video. I hope I was able to make you understand the concept of KeyOf. If so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If possible, share with your friends and also comment your suggestions. Thanks for watching till the end. Bye.